guided meditation for tranquility and peace. Begin by coming to a comfortable position, be that seated or laying down, whichever allows you to feel relaxed and at ease. Now gently close your eyes. Soften the muscles of your face. Allow your shoulders to fall down away from your ears. Feel your legs relax, your torso relax, your arms relax, and bring your attention now to your breath. Noticing the rise and the fall of your breath in your body, releasing tension on your exhale and drawing in more oxygen into your body, into your cells for greater vitality with each inhale. Allow your breath to become rhythmic, even, steady, and smooth. Everything is divine energy. Your consciousness in form, expressing yourself in this beautiful world. And anything that comes to your mind that pulls you away from a feeling of tranquility and peace, release on your exhale. Everything is divine energy, infinite, shimmering, vibrant, floating. Your whole body is vibrating in harmony with the universe. Feel your body light and expansive. Your heart light and expansive. Your mind open and expansive. Bathe in this sea of infinite energy, light energy. Float in silence, in peace, in timelessness. Allow yourself to feel completely at ease, comfortable, relaxed, tranquil, and at peace. to feel a sense of floating. Open to infinite possibilities in your mind. Knowing that you are connected to all of life, and the life force is moving through you, expanding. And as it does, you feel more and more at peace. Now bring your awareness to any intentions or desires that you may have, and hold those intentions as you allow healing energy to bring your deepest desires to life, your intentions into reality. Feel your connection to divine energy and light. Know that you are a part of the divine is a part of you. And stay with this deep, relaxing, peaceful feeling of bliss. And when you feel ready to do so, slowly begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. Bringing movement into your body, noticing how you feel as you slowly begin to open your eyes. Bring this feeling of peace and tranquility with you through your day or your evening. Namaste.